He's still eating them. Oh, he likes the seed part. He's a smart bird. Very instinctive. Yeah. But I like the seeds. There you go. He's carrying it from dish to dish. Negotiation? What? Don't even try. You can't win with him. It's a snack of edible flowers. I think it's calendula nasturtium. He likes to run around with them. And roses and pansies. He's taking them out and throwing them. Oh, I stuck a couple seeds in it to get them because they were freaked out about them. They're used to dried flowers, but not fresh. I hope you'll probably run around the cage with throwing them on the floor. Yes, I know. We're working on that. It's so pretty.